We're here.
So we got phones, we got wallets, we got Molly's shirts, we got graffiti shirts, we got our shirts, we got our swag. Mom says so much fun. Be safe. Love you. Love it. I think we're prepped. Smashing morning beers because we're good little soldiers. Uber X coming our way. We got 10 minutes, 8 minutes. Ellie on the road though. Oh, I gotta support my Toddy boy. Toddy's in here with the spirit. You good? Do you want me to look into the camera? Like directly into the camera? All right, all right, all right. Roll Rogers Airport, WRAPSCON 2019. We got myself, Justin Lombardi, Jade Braun, chilling. We got Hunter on his way, late. It's okay. We got a connection in Phoenix. A little slow getting in. Our Uber driver was driving in circles, but we figured it out. See you in WRAPSCON.
Hey guys, what's up? It's Jade, social extraordinaire. Just doing our thing. We're just eating. Going to an ARLON thing.
So we're just chilling on the back of the bus here, no big deal. Say hello, Preston. Hello, Preston. You guys are on the vlog.
Yes.
Yes. On your mark, set, go. Welcome back to WRAPSCON 2019. Checking in from the Westin Long Beach. Everyone is feeling real nice and tasty. Burgers, burgers, burgers. Booze, booze, booze. Night, night one.
The girls are going out.